What we getting into? Hey y'all, so this is the night before we have to leave and go to Chicago, and I'm super happy because this is my first vlog back. I can't be too loud, the boys is asleep, but what I'm about to do is start packing all of our clothes. We do leave tomorrow, so I want to make sure we have everything. And if y'all hear the dog, we got a dog. That's Blue. His birthday was yesterday. He turned up. Our first time flying with 2 kids. Tyson has been on a flight 1 time, but he was like 8 months. So go through the boys' clothes first. Get everybody outfits laid out and stuff. So let's do that. So we're taking 1 big bag for everybody. You know, we have our individual bags. But if this is not enough, then we'll take another one. But hopefully this is enough. We won't be on for too long, so let's cross our fingers. But I really want to make sure the kids have everything they need, because you know it's different when you going on a trip by yourself and then a trip with kids, because they need so much more. What I'm gonna be doing is going through their outfits. They got some new outfits from a few different places. Shorts and pants for all the days that we there, because we don't really know what the weather gonna be like in Chicago. Y'all know the weather be funny, so we gonna see what it's doing. But they have a lot of new clothes, so I'm gonna just like lay out a few outfits and see what we want to take and go from there.
Complicated, babe.
Okay, y'all, he's sitting here talking mess because he finished packing. He finished packing, even though I'm pretty sure he's not done, because I don't see no shoes in the bag or nothing.
No shoes? I'm buying shoes.
Baby, I ain't bringing no shoes then either.
You know what we do, G.
Okay. Tyra's up now, so I'm really going to try to hurry up. Because they daddy did all his clothes and did not help with nobody else's. I know that's right, doo-doo. Yeah. Sit right there, baby. He keep like jumping in my lap. Like, boy, I be having to make sure he can fit his clothes. Okay, so Tyre is gonna have like just a plethora of outfits. I'm gonna see y'all. Look at this sweatshirt we got him. It is so cute. Let's see, like, okay, Doo-Doo, mommy trying to get you and your brother clothes. All right, and I just woke up. Everybody else is still asleep. It's like 9 o'clock in the morning, but I haven't packed my clothes. I did everybody else's clothes, but I just got tired. Tyson stayed up until like maybe 3, so I was like, let me do my hair. Then Tyre tried to wake up. Ooh, yeah. So it was something, but I'm getting all the last minute stuff together now, just in the boys' room, making sure they don't need anything else. But I'm excited for the boys to go meet their family and just to have a little getaway. So yeah, we gonna finish up packing. I need to pack all my outfits. We might buy him some shoes too, because Tyson feet is growing really fast, like really fast. He was just in the 11 and now he's in the 12 and he's only 2, so crazy. I have his snacks packed. We bought him a toy. Actually, let me show y'all the toy we got him. It came like 2-3 days ago, and we was so tempted to let him play with it, but I'm like, no, he needs to be surprised on the plane, like, oh, I got a new toy. So this is it. He loves my iPad, so we got him a dinosaur shaped one where he can just draw. It don't have no apps or nothing on it, but he does have a tablet that we're bringing. This is gonna be Tyson's second time on the plane. The first time he really don't remember. Now he's all into planes, so I'm excited. Hey Blue, good boy, you heard something, you start barking. Blue just turned 1. If y'all follow us on social media, then y'all know we posted Blue, and he has his own Instagram, Follow him at OG Blue _ the Bulldog. That's his name. Alright, you guys, so I am back and clearly the boys are up. But I'm about done with everything. I end up getting me a few outfits together. I had my tea. I read my book before they got up. And we're feeling good. My ear is currently yelling at me. He be saying A too, y'all. Like, who are you A-ing? That is rude, sir. Who is you A-ing? Huh? Look at him. Look at that baby. Now you're trying to get the camera. Stop pulling me. Stop pulling my ear. You ain't get that, boy. You not get that camera, boy. Now it's time to get ready to go to the airport. It's probably like 12:30. And we got to get the boys ready. Pack up the bag, zip them up. Once they zip, they're ready to go. Tyre, this is the first time y'all see him on the channel. Say hey, doo-doo. You know how to say hey, dada, and A. But not mama. Not mama, though. Can you give me one mama? He refuses. So I'm currently at my desk. This is this month's read. You Are a Badass: How to Stop Doubting Your Greatness and Start Living an Awesome Life. Y'all, this book, I'm on like chapter 16. This book, I'm starting a book club, BTW, starting a book club called Billionaire Book Club. And it's about focusing on our mental so that we excel in life. That's not gonna be like the slogan, but it's gonna be something like that, like focusing on building our mentality so that it shows up in our everyday life, you know, something like that. But this is the first read, and I decided to start a book club because I've been raving about this book, posting this book, and people really actually went to go buy it. So yeah, if you want to join the book club, just let me know. Comment down below. Billionaire Book Club. So I just read a few chapters. I had my tea. Let me show y'all what I was drinking. Tyson came in here and cut off the light. Here I come, doo-doo. So I had my mint. Y'all, here you go. Keep doing that so I'll pick them up. We had some refreshment. And of course with our wild sweet orange mix. So I mixed those two teas. I love it. It tastes so good. Orange and the mint together goes well. So good. Plus some honey and some lemon or lime. Yeah. Tazo tea. If you see this, sponsor me. Love the tea. Love the tea. My fave. I'm gonna go get them ready to leave. Come on. They need to put on their clothes and then I'll be back. The boys are ready. Now it's time to pack my bag. So I'm bringing this little bag because of course I need my iPad, things like that. So first of all, I bought these Shein lashes, but I'm not bringing these because these I like to get tested at home. So we're gonna do a little what's in my bag. First of all, that TV is loud. My tablet, of course, has to come with me. Then important documents. I put my charger in a little Ziploc bag. I probably should have had a cuter case, but we're not gonna worry about that. I don't need the laptop charger because that's staying here. USB to edit. So we're gonna put that in here. Hair ties. I'm gonna take my iPhone USB. My lip glosses. That's to come. We got Vaseline. I actually have a little thing that I can put inside the bag to put all of this stuff in, but it's in the suitcase. I like to stay as organized as possible, so I'm gonna put my lip glosses and stuff in this Ziploc bag. Lip glosses, lashes, press-on nails. Got to have those. Scarves and scrunchies. Boom. Okay, we got that. Camera charger, camera cover, stand. I don't know where the other piece of this, well, to this is, so I'm not even gonna worry about it. All the stuff for the camera is going in my hair bag. Do not go to the airport without hand sanitizer or wipes. It's super cute. Super cute. My phone is charging. Baby, your phone's charged. And I'm actually gonna bring this ring light. Y'all, I had to order this. I seen it and I just had to get it. In the creator bag it goes. Figure out how to use it later. Tyson's do-rag that he refuses to wear. And I think that's it. Throw some snacks in here for the boys. They get rowdy, they're ready to go. Y'all ready to go? Whoop, whoop. I'm gonna throw some snacks in here, grab some juices, and we out. So thank y'all so much for watching this video. Get ready with me to go to the airport. Hair, what's in my bag, and what else I do? Just moving around, just a little vlog. So thank y'all so much. If you want to see the full Chicago vlog, then make sure y'all watch TDT Family channel. It's gonna be right here. Go subscribe and go watch the Chicago vlog. We out. Love y'all. And if you hear my dog and my boyfriend in the background, they just don't care that I'm vlogging. So first, so we know that they nighttime stuff is taken care of. He is really looking at me like, who are you talking to? Doo-doo. I'm talking to the camera. I'm vlogging. Why you getting mad? You hungry? Blue, like, what is it? It's me, Blue. Talking pajamas, Pampers, drawers, baby t-shirts, socks, everything.